Get ready to experience the pinnacle of aerial photography and intelligent flight with the new V668 GPS drone. This professional-grade RC quadcopter is engineered to deliver a superior flying experience for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Boasting a flagship 8K HD dual camera system, a precise 3-axis gimbal, revolutionary 360 degrees LiDAR laser obstacle avoidance, and an impressive 5 km image transmission range, the V668 is your ultimate tool for capturing breathtaking visuals and navigating the skies with unparalleled safety. Unmatched visuals with flagship 8K dual cameras and 3-axis gimbal. The V668 truly excels in its imaging capabilities. Equipped with a flagship 8K multi-camera system, it is capable of meeting diverse multi-angle shooting needs, ensuring every shot is captured in stunning detail. The inclusion of a highly precise 3-axis gimbal is a game-changer for aerial videography, providing exceptional stability and actively compensating for drone movements. This results in incredibly smooth, cinematic footage free from shakes and jitters. The camera can also be remotely controlled and electrically adjusted by 90 degrees, offering flexibility to frame your shots perfectly, further complemented by a fixed height function. The gimbal itself offers adjustable angles: front 45 degrees, side 65 degrees, vertical 110 degrees. Revolutionary 360 degrees LiDAR laser obstacle avoidance and GPS. Fly with supreme confidence thanks to the V668's cutting-edge safety features. Its 360 degrees LiDAR laser obstacle avoidance system provides comprehensive protection, actively detecting obstacles up to 20 meters away from all sides. This makes the drone incredibly easy to control for both beginners and experienced players, significantly reducing the risk of collisions. Combined with precise GPS automatic return and low battery return, the drone offers an unparalleled sense of security, acting as an escort for the aircraft by ensuring it always finds its way home, even if the signal is lost or the battery is low. Optical flow hovering further enhances stability for precise indoor flight. Powerful brushless motors and ultra-long distance flight. The V668 is propelled by robust brushless motors, which offer superior power, efficiency, and a longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. This translates to more stable flight, better wind resistance, and a more enjoyable and responsive flying experience. Experience an ultra-long distance flight with an impressive 5 km remote control distance. What truly sets it apart is the 3 to 5 km digital image transmission, eliminating the need for a Wi-Fi connection and providing a robust, clear real-time FPV feed over extended ranges. Extended endurance and portable design. Powering your aerial adventures is a high-capacity 7.4V 3000 mAh smart lithium battery, providing an extended usage time of approximately 28 minutes on a single charge. Recharging takes about 2.5 to 3 hours. The V668 features a convenient folding design, making it highly portable. When folded, it measures 17 by 10.5 by 10 centimeters, and when unfolded, it expands to 26.5 by 10.5 by 18.5 centimeters. Its compact size ensures it can be easily transported in the included high-end storage bag. Smart control and dynamic features. The V668 is packed with intelligent functions for an intuitive and dynamic flight experience. GPS Follow Me, the drone will automatically follow you, capturing dynamic footage hands-free. Screen remote control, enjoy real-time image transmission directly on the remote control screen. Electric power adjustment, features 10A electric power adjustment for precise control. Horizontal, vertical, overhead shooting, versatile camera angles for creative content. Air pressure fixed height, maintain stable altitude. Gravity sensing, control the drone by tilting your mobile device. Trajectory finger painting, draw a flight path on the screen, and the drone will follow it autonomously. 2-point for G signal stunt roll, perform impressive 360 degrees aerial acrobatics. Speed switch, adjust flight speed to match your skill level or desired maneuverability. Mobile phone control, offers an alternative control method via a dedicated app. One-click takeoff and one-click landing, simplifies initial flight procedures. Exquisite packaging, perfect gift. The V668 comes paired with an exquisite color box and a high-end storage bag, making it an ideal gift for drone enthusiasts, hobbyists, or anyone looking to dive into the world of professional aerial photography. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech reviews and drone tutorials.